हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन डॉक्टर इन इंग्लिश। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। अ डॉक्टर इज अ मेडिकल practitioner who conducts health checkups and diagnoses any issues related to a person's mental or physical health. Doctors are an integral part of the society. Doctors specialize in different fields to treat and cure different kinds of health problems. The field of medical science is vast and it takes years of education and training to get into this profession. Doctors are considered to be one of the most important parts of the society. Having a hospital, nursing home or a doctor clinic nearby is one of the first things one sees while looking for a house. This is because having medical help nearby gives a sense of security. Doctors specialize in various fields to provide specialized treatments to the patients. Some of these include cardiologist, allergist, immunologist, neonatologist, oncologist, radiologist, and psychologist. Most people visit general physicians when faced with any medical issue. These doctors examine the patients and prescribe them medicine and also refer them to specialist doctors if they need. While people should trust doctors with life, a lot of mistrust is being spread of late. Doctors these days don't carry out practice with the aim to cure the patients but to make money. People are suggested to get several tests done even if they visit for a simple medical problem. The government hospitals and clinics claim to provide medical services free of cost. However, there is a lot of corruption at these places as well. Though India has a number of talented doctors, however, the healthcare sector here is not that good. Many qualified doctors these days are flying abroad to seek better opportunities. Aspiring doctors are also going abroad to study medicine and settle there. Doctors have been given a high status in our society. The field of medical science is vast and it takes years of education and training to get into this profession. Doctors are considered to be one of the most important parts of the society. Having a hospital, nursing home or a doctor clinic nearby is one of the first things one sees while looking for a house. Medical technology has also enhanced over the time. Conclusion: while people trust their lives with doctors, certain cases in the past have shaken their faith. It is essential for the doctors to stay true to their profession. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन डॉक्टर। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।